Hey guys and gals, sweet project cards here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we're going to be talking about what one tool we fully believe every DIYer should have. Let's get cracking. Alright, today we're talking about the Dremel. This is an old one that I had given to me as a Christmas gift years and years ago, and we have a few of them that we use, and this is the newer one right here. And I gotta tell you, if there's any one tool that we use a lot, it is the Dremel, and we're excited about. We picked up a few of these right here to add them into our collection of tools. I'm gonna do some demonstrations for you on it. Julio, tell them where all this stuff is at.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. For really tight spaces is your Dremel. And you can just get in there. The one we use has variable speed. And this works really good for really tight areas on your bike. And it's got a light. You can flip that little light right there on so you can see what you're doing. Alright, let's take this Canadian dollar right here and see what it does. There's a little bit of mothers left on this buffer. It's funny because I got a comment the other day said, "Oh, you wear those black gloves, that shows you're not a professional." Then if we don't wear the gloves, we have people tell us, "You better wear gloves, that's going to soak into your skin." So you can't really win for losing when you're doing these kind of videos. We only do these videos to help people, and if you're not a real DIYer and you're kind of lazy and you don't want to do that stuff and work on your own cars, then you have to pay somebody else to do it. Let's go to this right here. This is a handle off of an express van. Customer brought it in and it was all busted up, and we put our fiberglass on with our resin because this was all blown out. And we put some JB weld here and filled it in with JB weld in there because the bolts wouldn't even hold this in. So let's see what the old Dremel will do as well. All right, now anytime you're grinding or what have you, make sure that you wear your face mask. But this part here was what we're going to deal with. It's got JB weld here and fiberglass here. It has a slot in it right here that goes back to about right there. Now you see the slot coming back in, and it's going right through the JB weld and everything. So we'll open the slot up. There you go.